Garlic helps to provide your food with a sweet-smelling and tasting flavor. While you can get your garlic anywhere, the best chefs know better to get theirs from organic garlic powder makers with a badge of certification from the authorities. In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 of the best organic garlic powder that is available for purchase in the United States. But before getting into the list, I would like to share with you some helpful tips that will help you make a decision when shopping online or at your local store. How to choose organic garlic powder. When in the market to purchase an organic powder, you want to ensure that you check to see that the product isn't expired. Ensure that there is a seal of quality or certification on the product by the relevant authority. You also want to check the ingredient information on the package to be certain you aren't allergic to any of the active components. But in most cases, all that's in there are garlic bulbs that were dried and grounded. If you are buying online, ensure that you check the reviews to hear what customers who have used the product are saying. Benefits of garlic. If you use garlic as part of the ingredients in your foods, I suggest you make use of fresh bulbs or get organic garlic powder, as they are very beneficial. Belonging to the same family as onions, garlic is used in cooking mainly because of its delicious taste and strong smell. Some of the notable benefits of garlic include: packed with nutrients and a low amount of calories. In addition to being nutritious, garlic contains low amounts of calories, which is great news if you are looking for ways to reduce your daily calorie consumption. Packed with the right amount of protein and carbohydrates, each clove of garlic contains vitamin B6, vitamin B1, vitamin C, selenium, manganese, fiber, phosphorus, copper, calcium, potassium, iron and other trace elements. Helps to boost the immune system. The addition of garlic to your food helps to fight against sicknesses such as flu and the common cold. While there is still a great deal of research to prove this claim, many of the nutrients present in garlic are potent when it comes to improving the immune system. Helps to reduce blood pressure. The active ingredients found in garlic are capable of reducing blood pressure, which is a plus for those suffering from hypertension. A few spoons of organic garlic powder in your dishes will do you a lot good than harm. Helps to improve cholesterol levels. When garlic is taken as a supplement, it has been known to reduce LDL without inhibiting the effect of LDL. Patients suffering from high levels of cholesterol can include organic garlic powder in their diet to help reduce by up to 15% the levels of total and LDL cholesterol in the body. Helps to detoxify the body. Garlic has a high sulfur content that is beneficial in protecting the organs against the effect of metal toxicity. In studies conducted to check the effect of garlic in lead toxicity, it was found to reduce Pb levels in the blood by 19%. Best way to use organic garlic powder. When using garlic in the kitchen, it is best that you use them fresh or ensure that they are properly dried and grounded to be stored for use later. Only choose bulbs that were grown in organic farms where they ensure the best agricultural practices. It is also important to mention that you include a decent amount when adding to your meals, as you don't want to overspice your food. Doing so can affect the taste of the food and may result in garlic overdose. Best organic garlic powder for sweet-smelling and tasting meals. Now that I have mentioned some of the benefits of garlic and what to look out for when shopping for organic garlic powder, we can then get into the details of our 5 best grown in America garlic powder that you can add to your meals for improved taste and aroma. Azure Market Organics Garlic Granule. This product is a vegan-friendly, gluten-free garlic granules that helps to improve the taste of meat, vegetable, soup, and stew. This garlic powder has a strong characteristic odor and an extremely pungent taste. Pros: certified kosher and organic. Grown in USA. Non-GMO. This product has not been irradiated. Provides meals such as sauces, mashed or roasted potatoes with a sweet-smelling garlic flavor. No artificial sweetener, MSG, yeast, colors, or preservatives. Good quality and good price. Cons: the container is not resealable. The texture is not fine powder. Other options: not organic, but with great taste. Kirkland Signature California Granulated Garlic. If you need your garlic to look more like grains of sand and not in the powdered form, then you may want to settle for this product from Kirkland Signature. The garlic bulbs were grown in American farms located in California and made with the best practices. This is my pick for the best organic garlic powder grown in the USA. Pros: completely gluten-free. Made from completely fresh garlic grown in California. Comes in a hard plastic bottle with a tight lid that helps to preserve the quality of the seasoning. Tastes and smells fresh when added to all kinds of dishes that require seasoning. Cons: although a bit overpriced, it can be easily affordable to anyone in the market for a truly American product. Lawry's Garlic Salt. Lawry's, a restaurant chain founded in 1938, are renowned for their organic food products. This seasoned salt blend with garlic and parsley promises to add a fresh flavor to your dishes. Perfect for sauces or sprinkle on sliced avocado, this garlic seasoning from Lawry's is a great addition to your pantry. Pros: great seasoning for white meat and fish. A sweet-smelling flavor that is great with any menu. Combination with parsley helps to provide a sweet vegetable taste to your meal. Kosher-friendly as it does not contain any animal product. Cons: a bit on the high side for a 33-ounce bottle with garlic and parsley. McCormick California-style garlic powder with parsley. Since 1889, McCormick has been in the business of planting and harvesting herbs and spices for use in adding flavor to food. This powder, in addition to garlic, also contains parsley and sunflower oil. For a sweet smell and taste, you can include this seasoning in your vegetables, meat, stews, and soups. Pros: perfect for homemade marinades, stews, chili, soups, and rubs. Made from fresh garlic. Free from MSG, making it safe for use in cooking. Salt-free garlic powder. Cons: a bit overpriced for a 24-ounce bottle. Badia Roasted Garlic. If you want your garlic to have a roasted smell to it, then you should purchase this quality product from Badia. This garlic powder is completely gluten-free and safe for consumption by vegetarians. Pros: adds a depth of flavoring to meals unlike regular garlic powder. Gluten-free and safe for vegan lovers. Made from the fresh garlic bulbs that were roasted for use as seasoning with or without garlic salt. Great for barbecue, meat, dips, and sauces. Cons: might not be a good choice for those who don't like roasting their spices and vegetables. While Gilroy, California, is the garlic home of the USA, it is still shocking to find that most of the top garlic powder brands still source their ingredients from farms in China and other parts of the world. For those looking for a truly grown in America garlic powder, then you will have to settle for the by Kirkland Signature. Garlic is a great seasoning with numerous benefits. It is best that you follow the guide from the previous slides when shopping at your local store or online. We encourage you to leave us a comment if you have any further question about organic garlic powder. Also, if you find this video informative, we will love for you to share it to help raise awareness. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.